Okay, here we are. We're in our old house again. This old, built in 1880. We're going to replace an old window here. It was all rotten at the bottom. And they have an air conditioner in this window. We're on the second story. It's just a dormer here. So we're just going to get rid of it. We bought a new thermal pane insulated window from Home Depot, and we're going to put it in. Sorry, I forgot to take pictures before we even started. So anyways, I got my business partner here to help me, and so we're gonna get her done. It was all rotten at the bottom, but we'll get her done. It'll be all good. Catch you shortly. So we're inside the house now. Here's the window, just a dormer in this bedroom here. So we're just gonna throw some plastic up around here to keep the dust from getting in. But as you can see, we're up on the second floor, and it's a little bit messed up down in there, but we can get that all fixed up, get that rod out. But the problem is our window's a little bit taller. It's about 3/4 of an inch too high, so we're gonna have to figure out what to do here and still make it look okay. We'll get back to you. Well, we finally got it done. We had a little fun. We had to fix all the rotten stuff underneath the old windowsill. It's all done now. So we have a nice new window in here. We tie apart everything, make sure everything is taped up really well. I used Resisto on the side, which is rubber membrane that goes up against the step flashing on the shingles. That way it will never leak, never, because that stuff's like crazy sticky. And then we put our flashing on the bottom, screwed it down, and we also make sure, let me see or not, because I'm going to put a new piece of fascia in there. I actually tape everything up as much as possible because the wasps love to make nests in this house. There's lots of places where we've had to evict hornets and wasps, so make sure you tape things up really well. And we don't have to do much in the way of caulking underneath there. And the window is now level and straight, excuse me, unlike the rest of the house, which is really crooked. But it was built in 1880, so what can you say? Thanks again.